Hi and welcome to the farm. Today we're going to fix my chicken waterer. So finish off that afternoon tea. Let's get to work. You know, you're right. It is better with a splash of milk in it. That's good stuff. All right. Now, over the years, I've used pretty much everything for watering my chickens, from chicken cups to chicken nipples. And where's my bucket of chicken nipples? You ever hear yourself say something and think to yourself, that's probably a phrase I never thought I would say? Bucket of chicken nipples. Anyway, all the way down to just, as you see here, a couple containers filled with water. But none have worked very well until I got this thing. This is I believe it's a Bell-Matic, I believe is the brand name, but this is not important. It is a Bell water or Bell drinker. And the idea is it's held pseudo-stationary by a weight, in this case, an enclosed container of water, holds it in place. You attach your hose to a source of water, and until recently that was a bucket right about here, and gravity feeds it down. There is a valve on the top of it. As the weight of the water pushes down, it closes off the valve, and then as the chickens drink it and the weight of it lifts because they're drinking the water out of it, the bell lifts off, opening the valve at the top, letting the water flow down the bell into the trough at the bottom, filling it up, fills it up, seals it back off. Brilliant. Works great. Until about a week ago. About a week ago, my bucket that was hanging here fell and was laying there in many pieces, cutting off the supply of water. So today we're going to fix that. Today we're going to go and get an old oil drum rack and put it about here. I have a 45, I think it is, gallon food grade water barrel, or food grade barrel over there. I'm going to fill with water and put it right about here. So that's what we're going to do today. The first thing I do is I have to go to my dad's house and get the oil drum rack. All right, so quick trip up to my dad's house, and I have the oil drum stand. And as you can see, it's made out of spare parts and scrap metal, welded together probably by my dad with a half-used welding rod, a set of jumper cables, and a car battery. But that's fine. It's held up to the test of time, 60 plus years, with one exception. That's what's weld right back here. And I don't think the weld failed so much as it just rusted in two. But that's not important right now. The most important part is getting it set up, getting it leveled, and getting it operational. I'll come back later and clean up these welds, give it a quick sand down, and repaint it. And by later, I mean never, because that's the way things work around here. But let's get it off the truck, get it leveled up, get some water going to these chickens. Let's hop to it. There appears to be a procedural discussion, a lively procedural discussion, on the proper protocol for chicken breeding. Calm down. Calm down. That's unheard of. Uncalled for. Oh, and if you like this content, like and subscribe. Thanks. Oh, y'all just chicken. There we go. It's got a bit of a rake down that way. Oh, it's good. Now then, now Mr. Brick Mason, bricklayer, brick guy, before you comment and tell me that's not the way you use a cinder block, that they go the other way, I know. I don't care. It's for chicken water. I don't care. Make sure we got all the rainwater out of it. And I was wrong. Happens from time to time. No, it doesn't. But 55 gallon. I didn't think it was. I thought these were a little bit smaller than your 55 gallon barrels, but that's what it says. Yeah, so that's the course up there. Use the fine threads down here. I need to replace that other cap anyway. It's UV rotten. Come on. And that's getting down to the seal, I don't think. No, the seal's way back here. I got the old man glasses here. It's caught sideways in there. Not really sure why. All right, so I think I can just set up on this thing with a screwdriver and whack it. The plug is going to go inside the barrel, but I really don't care. It's perfectly fine. And that did not work as expected. Expected thing just to knock out. Why would it want to cooperate? I mean, really. Why would it do that? There. It's bigger than the hose that's going to be taking water from it, so that'll be fine. Let's warm it up a bit. And just a bit. Just get it warm. Not too much. And Derek, too much is not just right. Too much is too much. It's in the name. It's too much. Ooh. Too much. That was too much. Oh yeah. I burnt it. All right. Try this again. Without heat. Okay. All right. Will you go on a little further? I mean, I like to get a couple barbs in there. Now, can I give you a little heat? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. How much? Right there. Right there. Right there. Okay. Just a little bit. Just a taste. Just a taste of some temperature. Now, that's going to be about all I get. But if it's that hard, I don't think it's coming off. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I can run this one in there. Look at that. Oh, it does have the hole knocked out of it. That's okay for right now. Right now I just need to get this washed off here a little bit. And now we have water flowing into the waterer or drinker or whatever we want to call that. Cool. There is a slight drip right here. Tells me that's not got a really good seal on it. Wonder if I can get a little bit more oomph on that with my not the right tool. There we go. If you'd like more farm-related content, click right up here. And until next time, thanks for joining me on the farm.